Good morning, it's 11 o'clock, Wednesday the 10th of October 2018. It's day 6 of the wooden go-kart, well, electric wooden go-kart build. So, last night in the video, day 5, I put the controller on, there you can see it, but it's got insulation that goes underneath, so I need to strip it now. And I'm going to glue the insulation on, and I might paint the board as well while I'm at it. Might as well. Okay, let's do it. Right, I've sanded the board. It took longer than expected, as always. Started off with a new piece of sandpaper, ended up with this flimsy piece. So I've sanded the edges. Same on the other side. So I don't know if it's a varnish that I'll paint it. Right, I've had a tidy up. I've vaxed all the flat. So I had a tidy there, got rid of all the dust. But it's really sunny today and really warm. So I'm going to take the dog for a walk, and I'll just show you this before I go. I've varnished the board. As you've seen, I sanded it all down with rough sandpaper, then went over it with smooth, and I varnished it because I want my wood effect. So I'll just show it you now, and I'll catch up in a bit. Right, so it's varnished. It's a little bit rough. I don't know if you sand it again or what. Not sure with varnish. But anyway, I'm going to glue this insulation piece on. Right, we've got a counter spread with glue. The glue from Wilco, all purpose, and a piece of insulation. Let's do it. Right, glued down. Took 5 minutes. I'm going to put it on the balcony and let the glue dry. Bit of a chill day today. Not done loads on it really. Too nice outside. Right, so I bought this as 1000 watt, but if you look there, it's 800 watt, 36 volts. So the guy lied when he sold it. Anyway, motor, back wheel and axle fitted. The ECU fitted. The insulation. The transmitter. Let's pop the battery on and give it a test, eh? Right, last time I filmed, I'd fitted the bottom underneath, but I've had trouble with this battery, getting it to fit at these connectors up there. Made a bit of a mess, but I'll sort that out later. Just paint over it or something, don't matter. Doesn't have to be perfect. So, suppose you want to see it run. Is the dog ready? No, come out of the way. Brilliant. It works anyway. Let's turn it off. It works and made a bit of a mess, but it's a mess anyway. Right, I'm going to finish the video here. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I'm going to probably fit the steering tomorrow, and then the day after make the seat, and then probably it'll be Saturday then, take it for a ride. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.